Alright, so it is 8:30 in the morning, Saturday, the day after the flood. And as you can see, the front is almost completely dry. There's that line is pretty much where the water got up to, all along the yard. And there's nothing in the front. Not a thing. A little water, a little puddles. But not much. However, if we go to the back of the yard, pumps are silent. Neighbors' pumps are, well, no, maybe not silent, but they're still working. Not as hard as hard. We go to the back. We still have some water. Poor Dale. Our garage is still flooded. Our backyard is quite squishy, but the water has receded immensely. We just have a slight swamp, that's all. It is absolutely amazing how quickly the water has receded following that incredible flood. So we don't have a whole lot of overt damage. So I've got some planters that were knocked over, and there's a lot of mulch where there shouldn't be. But on the most part, we ended up okay. My neighbors, unfortunately, on the other hand, they did not. They're still bringing stuff out. And, well, so that's that.